Did you know that the demand for IT help desk professionals in cybersecurity is expected to grow by over 10% in the next decade? It's wild. So, what does it really take to thrive in this role? Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on cybersecurity careers with a special focus on the often overlooked IT help desk role. You might think of it as just a starting point, but let me tell you, it's so much more than that. It's a crucial entry point into the vast world of cybersecurity. Now, let's talk about some of the common misconceptions about the IT help desk role. A lot of people think it's just about answering calls and resetting passwords, right? But here's the kicker. This role often gets dismissed as a dead-end job. What's worse, some folks think you can't really grow from it, but that couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, IT help desk professionals face a ton of challenges every day. They're not just dealing with tech issues. They're the first line of defense against cybersecurity threats. Imagine trying to solve a problem while educating users about phishing scams at the same time. It's stressful and requires serious skills. So, what does a day in the life of an IT help desk professional look like? Well, it's packed with responsibilities. First off, troubleshooting is key. You've got to be a tech whiz, figuring out what's wrong with systems and networks quickly and effectively. But here's the kicker, communication skills are just as crucial. You're not just working with tech, you're working with people. You need to translate complex tech jargon into everyday language for users. And let's not forget about staying updated. Cyber threats evolve daily, so help desk pros must continuously learn about the latest technologies and threats. It's like ongoing education, and it's super important for making sure the organization stays secure. Let me share a quick story that highlights the rewarding aspects of being in this role. There's this IT help desk professional, let's call her Sarah. One day, she got a call from a frantic employee who had just clicked on a suspicious link. Sarah calmly walked her through the steps to secure her system, while also educating her on what to look out for in the future. Later that week, that same employee came back to thank Sarah, saying that because of her guidance, she was able to prevent a potential data breach. That moment made Sarah realize the impact she had, not just fixing issues, but also empowering others to be more vigilant. It's moments like these that remind IT help desk professionals why their jobs matter. So, to wrap it all up, the IT help desk role is important. It's a position brimming with opportunities for growth, and it plays a huge part in protecting organizations from cyber threats. Whether you're troubleshooting, communicating, or staying ahead of the latest threats, you're making a difference every single day. Data breaches. Scary, right? Let's break it down. What is a data breach? It's when your private info gets stolen online. Think passwords, bank details, or medical records. Nugget 2. Anyone can be a victim, from you and me to big corporations. Nugget 3. Hackers love personal info, bank accounts, health records, and even your work secrets. Nugget 4. How do these breaches happen? Hacking, phishing, and sneaky malware are the main culprits. Nugget 5. The damage, money gone, identity stolen, reputation ruined. Not good.